The idea of transforming broken appliances into avant-garde planters might once have sounded eccentric, impractical, or even whimsical. Yet today it stands at the intersection of eco-innovation, artistic rebellion, and sustainable design, a bold answer to the growing crisis of electronic waste. As more people search for meaningful ways to reduce their environmental footprint while expressing personal style, the concept of broken appliance beauty has become a powerful creative movement, proving that even the defunct guts of old electronics can be reborn as living works of art. Welcome to Decor Ideas, your ultimate destination for stunning woodcraft and home decor inspiration. Here, every piece of wood tells a story, and every design brings nature's beauty into your home. Whether you're a passionate woodwork maker, a woodworking dreamer, or someone seeking timeless and eco-friendly decor, you're in the right place. Stay tuned until the end of this video to uncover creative ideas, inspiring transformations, and to see beautiful collection and get inspiration. Don't just decorate, create with purpose. Subscribe, watch, and let's craft something beautiful together. The process begins with curiosity and imagination. Taking apart forgotten machines like VCRs, obsolete computers, radios, speakers, keyboards, or even outdated circuit boards, peeling back their plastic shells and metal casings to reveal an astonishing world of shapes, compartments, textures, and geometric structures that are rarely seen by the human eye. Beneath years of dust and irrelevance lies a raw, industrial beauty begging to be rediscovered. When these components are cleaned, re-envisioned, and transformed into planters, they become a fascinating dialogue between technological history and the natural world, blending the cold precision of machines with the gentle vibrancy of living plants. It's a juxtaposition that feels futuristic yet nostalgic, edgy yet warm, and entirely original. What makes these planters so striking is not just the environmental symbolism, but the visual and emotional impact they create. A hollowed-out computer tower suddenly becomes a minimalist indoor jungle container. An old metal VCR shell, polished and modified, becomes a sleek, succulent planter. A circuit board bent into a curved shape transforms into a botanical sculpture that seems to grow directly from the heart of digital memory. These pieces embody the perfect clash of nature and technology, creating decor that feels like a commentary on our modern lives, where the digital world and the natural environment often collide or compete. But inside an upcycled electronics planter, they coexist in harmony. Each planter becomes a small ecosystem rooted inside the skeleton of a once functional machine, symbolizing renewal, recovery, and the surprising potential for beauty within brokenness. In an era defined by rapid consumerism and disposable electronics, this transformation becomes a subtle act of resistance, encouraging viewers to rethink how many objects we discard before understanding what they might still have to offer. Equally powerful is the craftsmanship involved in bringing these unconventional planters to life. Working with broken appliances requires patience, creativity, and a willingness to experiment. Each device presents a unique challenge. Some casings may need reinforcing, some components require sanding or repainting, and others demand imaginative solutions to hold soil, drainage, or plant pots securely. The process can feel almost archaeological, as if the maker is excavating the technological past to uncover artistic possibilities buried beneath. There is something deeply satisfying about repurposing the carefully engineered structures inside electronics: ventilation grids, wiring tunnels, screw ports, cooling fins, and layered panels, and allowing them to serve entirely new functions in the home. These elements were originally designed to support mechanical operations, yet in their second life, they frame leaves, cradle roots, and highlight the beauty of succulents, vines, and air plants. The contrast heightens the planter's appeal, turning it into a sculptural conversation piece with both technical sharpness and organic softness. Dear viewers, are you enjoying today's video so far? Make sure to tap that like button and share the channel with your family and friends who love woodworking, decor, and creative inspiration just like you. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to keep bringing you new ideas and projects every day. I'd also love to know where in the world you're watching from. So drop your country in the comments below. And after this video, don't forget to check out the other videos on the channel. You'll find even more inspirational transformations and creative builds waiting for you. What also elevates the value of these creations is the sustainable message they embody. E-waste is one of the fastest growing waste streams in the world, with millions of tons of electronic items discarded every year, many containing plastics and metals that take centuries to break down. Repurposing old electronics into planters helps reduce this burden by giving these materials a meaningful second life. Instead of contributing to landfill pollution or being shipped overseas for unsafe disposal, the components are transformed into long-lasting decor pieces that inspire conversation and ecological awareness. A planter made from a retired electronic device is more than simply a place for a plant to grow. It becomes a statement about environmental responsibility, creative reuse, and the beauty of mindful living. In a world craving sustainable solutions, these creations stand out as shining examples of how artistic vision can lead to ecological impact. There is also an emotional richness to these pieces that many people find unexpectedly powerful. Modern appliances often hold memories. The old family VCR that played childhood movies, the computer used for a first job, the radio that once brought music into a living room. When these items are repurposed into planters, they are not just saved from the trash, they are reintroduced into the home in a new and meaningful form. The transformation becomes a way of honoring the past while creating new life, merging nostalgia with renewal. By placing a thriving plant inside a container that once housed circuits and wires, the maker physically reconnects the past with the present and roots it in living soil. This emotional dimension makes the finished planter feel personal, symbolic, and deeply human. Design enthusiasts have also embraced the artistic potential of these creations. Avant-garde decor thrives on contrast, experimentation, and breaking rules, and there is no medium more suited for disruptive design than abandoned electronics. Their industrial look plays beautifully with modern interior aesthetics, especially in minimalist, urban, or industrial-themed spaces. The mix of sharp edges and soft foliage creates visual drama, while the unusual shapes of casings and components push boundaries in ways traditional planters simply cannot. A keyboard succulent garden becomes a playful piece of art. An old speaker reinvented as a hanging planter becomes a conversation starter. A circuit board frame filled with trailing vines turns into a wall installation that blends tech nostalgia with eco-expressionism. These pieces bring character and personality into a room, allowing homeowners to display decor that reflects creativity, sustainability, and individuality. For makers who want to build a business around sustainable crafts, Broken Appliance planters offer significant opportunity. They are inexpensive to produce, highly unique, and increasingly attractive to eco-minded consumers who appreciate handmade, responsible decor. Each planter is one of a kind because no two electronics are designed the same way, and no two plants grow identically. This uniqueness naturally elevates the value of the product, making it ideal for online marketplaces, craft fairs, and boutique decor shops. Buyers are willing to pay more for pieces that embody both artistic originality and environmental impact, especially as sustainable living continues to rise in popularity. Creators can build entire collections, from industrial futuristic designs to retro-tech planters, giving customers a variety of styles to explore. Ultimately, the transformation of broken electronics into planters represents something larger than a trend or a craft idea. It is a powerful reminder that value does not disappear when an object breaks, ages, or loses its original function. Beauty can be hidden in unexpected places, waiting for someone with imagination to uncover it. In breathing new life into discarded machines, we learn that sustainability is not just about recycling materials. It is about changing mindsets. These planters become symbols of creative possibility, showing that even the cold, forgotten shells of obsolete technology can become warm, living homes for nature once again. And in this union of the mechanical and the organic, we find a poetic harmony that speaks to our modern world. Growth emerging from decay, nature mingling with invention, and purpose reborn from pieces we once believed were useless. Thank you so much for watching Decor Ideas, where creativity meets craftsmanship and nature comes to life through wood. We truly appreciate your time and support. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and share it with your friends and family who love unique home decor and woodcraft inspiration. Your feedback inspires us to create even more amazing ideas for you. Make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our next inspiring video. Until then, keep crafting, keep creating, and keep finding beauty in every piece of wood.